Welcome. If you're having trouble using your microphone on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through the updated steps to allow microphone access on your Android device. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and find the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear. Tap on that to open your settings menu. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you see the Apps option. This is where you'll manage all your applications. Go ahead and tap on Apps. Now look for the Discord icon in the list of apps. Once you find it, give it a tap to access the app settings. In the Discord app settings, you'll see several options. Here, you want to find and tap on Permissions. This is where you can control what Discord can access on your device. Next, find the Microphone option in the list of permissions. Tap on it to view the microphone settings. Finally, you'll see a choice that says Allow only while using the app. Select this option to enable microphone access whenever you're using Discord, ensuring that your chats and calls are crystal clear. And that's it. You've successfully allowed microphone access on Discord. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting.